Kita ndauri yake.
Gonda dia.
Gue bantu nih.
Twakuru kau wile gitonga twite ugia. Ukifika hapo kwa kona.
My name is Professor Isaiah Wakindiki. I'm the Vice Chancellor and CEO of KCA University. KCA University has its main campus in Nairobi. Today, and in particular this Easter is very special to us. We are racing to raise funds for scholarships with all levels of training. We train from undergraduate to PhD degrees, and for this particular moment we set out at 4 a.m. from Nairobi, and we have just arrived in the city of Meru. We'll be spending the night here, and we leave tomorrow back to Nairobi. The whole essence is that some of our students, as I've said, at all levels, are experiencing difficulties in clearing their fees and realizing their lifetime goals of higher education or university education. And for this purpose, we called upon our well-wishers, stakeholders, both individuals and corporates, to help us to come together to join the staff, alumni and students of the university to raise funds for scholarships. In this particular event, we are joined by 11 international cyclists who have been participating in various races around the world and in our country, and they are doing this out of charity. They are also including amateur staff, amateur students who are part of the group.